Crafters Unleashed, 10 creative ways to make and sell handmade items online. Hey, fellow crafters, welcome back to our crafting corner. In today's extended video, we're diving deep into the world of handmade creations and exploring 10 fantastic ways you can not only craft beautiful items but also turn your passion into a lucrative online business. If you've ever dreamed of making money doing what you love, this video is a must-watch. So, grab your crafting supplies, hit that subscribe button, and let's embark on this creative journey together. 1. Handmade jewelry. Let's kick things off with the art of jewelry making. Dive into the world of beads, wires, and gemstones as you explore unique designs and techniques that will make your handmade jewelry stand out. Learn how to choose the right materials and create pieces that customers will fall in love with. Take an online class on how to learn new techniques and discover more about jewelry making. 2. Customized clothing. Next up, let's talk about transforming clothing into wearable works of art. Discover the magic of personalization, from custom t-shirts to embroidered jackets. Explore different techniques to add your unique touch and make your creations marketable online. Create your own patterns to sell or sew creative fashion clothing for kids, women, men, and more. 3. Homemade candles. Create a cozy and inviting atmosphere with handmade candles. Dive into the world of scents, colors, and shapes to craft candles that not only look stunning but also fill any space with a delightful aroma. Get ready to light up the market with your unique creations. Learn how to make creative candles and find your niche in the market. 4. Personalized gifts. The joy of giving and receiving personalized gifts is unparalleled. Discover crafting items like mugs, photo frames, and more. Learn how to turn ordinary objects into heartfelt and cherished presents, perfect for any special occasion. There are several online printable services that can help you use your own artwork to design printables and sell them. 5. Home decor masterpieces. Elevate living spaces with your handmade home decor items. From wall art to plant hangers, explore crafting pieces that transform any room into a stylish haven. Let your creativity run wild and turn your crafting space into a home decor workshop. From wall art, picture frames, unique furniture, and outdoor items for the garden that you can create and sell. 6. Card making and letter wall printables. Delve into the art of card making and printable wall letters. Explore different paper types, designs, and techniques to create beautiful and personalized cards. Additionally, learn how to craft printable letters for wall decor, adding a touch of uniqueness to any space. This is a fun way to be creative and make a printable that you don't have to ship. 7. Knit and crochet items. Grab your needles and hooks as we explore the cozy world of knit and crochet items. From scarves and blankets to adorable amigurumi, discover how to create warm and stylish pieces that customers will love. Learn about different yarns and stitches to add variety to your collection. Create your own patterns that you can sell to others. 8. Hand-bound journals and notebooks. The art of bookbinding is a timeless craft. Learn different binding techniques and discover the perfect paper choices to create beautifully crafted journals and notebooks. Your creations will not only be functional but also exquisite pieces of art. 9. Succulent and plant arrangements. Bring a touch of nature indoors with handmade succulent and plant arrangements. Explore the art of combining different plants, containers, and decorative elements to create arrangements that add life and vibrancy to any space. Start a blog or write on gardening sites to provide tips and guides to others. 10. Handmade soaps and bath products. Skincare enthusiasts, this one's for you. Dive into the world of handmade soaps and bath products. Learn about natural ingredients, scents, and packaging that will not only pamper your customers but also make your creations irresistible. Find a unique niche to create for candles or skincare items. Best places to sell your crafts. Now that you've crafted your masterpieces, it's time to sell them. Here's our top 5 list of the best places to sell your handmade items. Etsy, the go-to platform for handmade and vintage large items. Community of buyers actively seeking unique, crafted goods, easy-to-use interface, and customizable shop features. Amazon Handmade. Leverage the immense customer base of Amazon for your handmade products. A dedicated section for handmade items, providing visibility to your creations. Streamline fulfillment options through the Fulfillment by Amazon FBA program. Instagram. Utilize the visual power of Instagram to showcase your creations. Connect directly with potential customers through visually appealing posts. Leverage Instagram shopping features for direct product tagging and sales. Pinterest. Create a virtual storefront by pinning your products on Pinterest. Tap into the platform's discovery nature, reaching users looking for unique items. Utilize rich pins to provide detailed product information. Facebook Marketplace. Leverage the local and global reach of Facebook to sell your handmade items. An easy-to-use platform for individuals looking for unique, locally made products. Integration with Facebook groups for niche markets and communities. Learn how to navigate these platforms effectively to reach your ideal customers and turn your crafting hobby into a successful online business. Ready to unleash your creativity and start your own crafting empire? Use social media to market your crafts. Discover more below about online classes to learn how to make items, books, and other resources. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more crafting content, and share this video with your fellow crafters. Happy crafting and happy selling!